let's now quickly go ahead and change the HTML file in server B as well. I would go really fast now. cd usr share nginx html -l sudo. Don't forget to do a sudo. It'll waste your time otherwise, because you can't modify the file if you don't do a sudo vim index.html. Great. Let's change this title first. Let's call it server B. And let's remove everything from here. Oh, I removed the body tag. Let's change this text to server B. Now let's save the file. Let's see if our changes are reflecting. So server A is reflecting. Let's see for server B. Yes. So our HTML file has changed. For server A, I have changed it to server A. For server B, I've changed to server B. All that is left right now is to configure Nginx to forward connections, forward incoming requests to either server A and server B. To make this easy, I have already stored the configuration file in a collaborative editor. You guys can check the link in the description box below and use that configuration to configure your Nginx. So it's called collaborative.com/f63ds. Let's go ahead and we find the configurations there. While it loads up, let's minimize server A and server B terminals. All we need now is the putty terminal, because this is for the load balancer. Now let's go into the respective configurations folder of Nginx and just copy this file in, or maybe you want to write it down. Anyways, this works the same way. Let's first go to the path. The path is cd etc nginx and nginx.conf. That is the file name. So let's list all the files that are there. We need to change the conf file, which is this one. So something's already there. You can view it. Again, don't forget to sudo it if you want to change something in the file, which we surely have to. nginx.conf. Great. So you see something which is very similar to the file that I have here. Like really, most of the settings are there, but mine is just more like kind of a minimized file which has only the necessary settings. So you can go ahead and delete everything here. Just do a dd 20 dd 40 dd 100 dd. Yes, just remove everything, copy this entire file and try to paste it. I hope paste works in the SSH terminal. If not, you have to take the pain of writing it. Wow, awesome. So this got pasted. Now what we need to do is, this is the server 1 address and server 2 addresses. We need to change that. So this is actually the the public DNS address that we have on the AWS console for server A and server B. So this configuration actually tells Nginx that, hey, you have to forward your incoming requests to server A and server B. So put their IP addresses, the public DNS addresses, inside the slots. Where is it? Hit the scroll bar. Come on. Oof. Pasted it. Let's go to server B. Grab this configuration. Copy it. Let's come here, down. Come here. And paste it. Okay, everything's done. Let's change this weight and make it 1. Let's write this file. Now, after you finish writing this file, be sure to restart your Nginx server, because you've right now made a configuration change to a running server. Previous changes to server A and B were HTML file changes. You never made any configuration changes. But whenever you do a configuration change, you always have to restart the server. So the configuration change has been done. You restart the server by writing sudo service nginx restart. Restarting Nginx, and you're done. Now let's see Nginx in action. So this is the Nginx page, right? Let's close server B and server A. I refresh the page, and Nginx will do all the magic now. See, it is redirecting to server A. Now, if I click it again, I'm refreshing the page again. It goes to server B. Again, one more request. It goes to server A again. One more. It goes to server B. So why is this happening? If you remember the previous lectures that I told you that the load balancer is actually forwarding requests to A and B. But why is it alternating? And it will happen it will happen all the time. It will keep alternating between A and B because we have defined the weight in the configuration file as 1:1. That is what the weight parameter specifies, the weight out here. Let's change it from 1:6. So 1:6 means the second instance, which is this one, server B, will receive 6 requests, while server A will receive only 1 request. So as to say that server B maybe is a more powerful server. That's why you want more requests to come to it, because it can handle that, while server A is a less powerful server. So you want it to tackle only low loads. So let's see what significant changes occur after this configuration change. So let's write the changes. Let's restart Nginx. Nginx has restarted. Now let's refresh the page. We are directed to server B. Again we do it. Again we are server B. Third time again we are directed to server B. Fourth time to server B. No, server A. So it's kind of random now, but you would see that most of the times, out of every 7 requests, 6 will go to B and 1 would come to A, somewhat like that. So So hey guys, that was the end of the playlist. I hope you've enjoyed a lot. If you had any questions or any doubts or concerns regarding what has been taught here about load balancers, please leave your queries in the comment boxes below. And you have seen that I have mostly used this software called Loom to record these videos. If you want to make use of this for your project or presentation, please use the link in the description box below. It would help you and also me to get a good subscription of Loom. If you have any other questions regarding any other topic which you want me to cover, kindly leave that in the comment section as well. And as I say always, like and subscribe. This is just a reminder so that you don't incur extra charges from AWS. Once you finish this course and finish trying out everything you wanted to, just go to your EC2 console, find all the servers that you have started or launched. Just click all of them, right click, go to instance state and terminate each and every one of them. You see that I have started the process of terminating it, and two have terminated and the third one is still shutting down. So you should do it for each and every server that you had started. So once that's terminated, you are at peace and everything's over. You wouldn't be billed for this anymore. So that was just a friendly reminder. Keep watching and keep subscribing.